Yes guys, your boy here again, NTV, and welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about the latest IPO that's about to hit the market before this year runs out, the general health and the current doings that's happening in the market right now. And of course, we're going to go over the trades that I have taken and see so far what's happening with my trading. Well, if you're new to this channel and you like money, you like to invest, you like Forex, stocks, whatever it is, you are in the right place. Please hit that subscribe button and of course, leave the video with a like also. And if you've got any questions, you can leave them down in the comments below because I love reading and responding to your comments. To get this started with, we are going to start talking about Rivian. So Rivian is an electric car company. They've been around for quite a bit now. And last year, of course, Amazon, oh my God. Jeff Bezos went in and said, here is my money. I'm supporting you lot and I want you guys to give me 100,000 cars. So it's absolutely crazy. And of course, with that funding, they have been able to do a lot of progress and they've probably done so much research and their cars are probably going to be really good. I can't wait for them to start, mass producing these cars and just get into one of them and really see how somebody can come and, compete with Tesla. It's always good for the consumers because you want, all these companies to compete with each other, which means the consumer is going to be getting the best deal out of the whole game. So the one thing that caught my eye with this is that they said that Rivian is going to come at a market cap of $50 billion, which is a bit of a wow. The reason why I say that is because Tesla currently is at $27.6 billion in market cap. And that get me wondering, is like, Tesla is of course the number one, the leader in the race of electric vehicles. How is Rivian $50 billion in market cap? It doesn't make any sense. This is something that I'm very interested in. And of course, I'm going to be putting money aside and hopefully we can scoop a few thousand shares or maybe 10,000 shares whenever this comes out and just hold it. Because the thing is, the future, of course, is electric cars. And of course, in Europe, they've got their 2030 stuff they have with electric cars. You can't produce gasoline cars or some stuff like that they have in Europe, which is absolutely crazy, which tells you that, of course, clean energy and of course renewables is what we're looking into in the future. And sadly, fossil it's falling down the line. It's going to be a dinosaur very soon. In a few years from now, we're going to be talking about petrol cars and say, hey, this was the normal. And we'll have kids or grandkids that will be like, oh, wow, I can't believe you lot used to do this back then and it was normal. But we're definitely keeping an eye out for Rivian. So hopefully they come out before the year ends. If not, we're going to wait till the first quarter of next year. And hopefully their IPO comes out and we can load in on some shares for that company. And the next thing is the market overall, the health of the market. So today was a bit of yo-yo markets. So which is all right. And that's the thing with trading is I keep telling people, you do not just have a steep curve going up like this. If not, you won't be able to trade. It's got to go up and there's a retracement or a drawdown in your positions. If you're in the positions, that's when you have a drawdown. It's normal. You can't just get into a trade and expect to start making money and just, if that's how it works, literally nobody will make money. There have to be retracement in the market. So that's what happened today. Even Bitcoin dropped down to 44,000. It's all right. It is all right. It is normal. That's how the market is supposed. That is a healthy market. You go up to a new high, you have a little retracement and you continue in the direction you're going. Even when you're traveling, you don't just go in a straight line from Florida to New York or from Florida to California. It doesn't happen like that. You have to stop for gas. You have to stop to take rest. You have to eat. You have to use a toilet. So many things. Sometimes you even have to stop in a motel. So it's normal. It's nothing strange. We still believe in the market is going to keep going up and up and up. Even with the little retracements, it's fine. So lastly, we are going to be going over the trades I took today. So I'm going to have my screen recording right here so you can see. Currently, I'm in a trade right now. So this has been absolutely crazy for this trade. I'd entered a few earlier on. GBP Chef, once again, it's absolutely crazy. The reason why I say that with GBP Chef is for the past 2 months, December and January, what happened was I only lost 2 or 3 trades out of 20 trades I took with GBP Chef. And now this month has been absolutely crazy. I entered the trade yesterday, hit my stop loss. I literally got into profit maybe like 10 pips and it just went all the way down and hit my stop loss. You can see the 60 and the $87. There was something I was trying, and that was a mistake. Euro USD, I was trying a new strategy. Me and my mate were talking about. Didn't go well. It's all right. It's fine. Then I closed with my GBP USD I had yesterday. I closed, one of the trades got closed out, and then I entered GJ last night, which one of them already got closed out in profit. And this is the current state. So my JU has been from yesterday. So this is the second day. Tomorrow will be the third day. So I'm just holding and I'm managing the trade as it goes. The thing is, I'm in for the long run. I'm not in to just get 10 or 20 pips. Of course, yeah, sometimes the market will give you that. It's fine. But I'm in for the long run, right? To, get as much as what the market gives to me. Milk as much as possible from the market. But yeah, that's my current trade right now. So we're just going to watch it. This has been going to 5,000 and it came back to 4. Now it's at, about $3,977, which is fine. So yeah, that is the current state of my trades right now. It's normal. I'm still going to enter GBP Chef again. Why? Because it's fine. It's all right for you to lose money. I'm not the kind of trader that's going to come out to tell you that, oh, you never lose money in the market. I'm only going to show you when I make profits. No, you are going to lose money. It's normal in the market. There's nobody who gets 100%. Of course, you can reduce that risk, which we all try to do. Reduce your risk and reduce your losses. Over time, I've gotten way, way better. Like every single day, every month, I try to get better at the craft of trading, which is what you want to strive for. But if you're expecting to just trade and you win 100% of your trades out of 1,000 trades you take, mate, you are in another planet. And when you get to that planet, let me know so I can come join you, because I want 100% win strategy. Everybody wants it. But anyways, guys, that's it from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please, if you're new, hit that subscribe button and do leave the video with a like also. And if you've got any questions, hit them in the comments down below and I'll be sure to respond to your comments. Yeah, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in the next one. And peace.